Hey guys, so we have some really exciting news. We have been in production for 2.5 years now, and we are excited to announce that we are launching our DIY-namic Duo series coming up this weekend.
If you love our DIYs and our silly antics, which we hope you do, you'll love this new series. So here's a little sneak peek of what you're in for.
Yes, we are superheroes. We are.
Don't tell anybody. But we may be wearing spandex.
Oh my God. Okay, but it's gonna be a multi-series. The multi-series is gonna be, the first 4 episodes is gonna be happening. But we're gonna be dropping the first episode of this multi-series on June 5th, which is next Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yes, you don't want to miss it.
You don't.
Yeah, hit that notification bell.
Yeah. And also, we're gonna be doing a live afterwards. We're gonna be answering your questions.
It's a tell-all.
Yeah, behind the scenes. It's gonna be great. So we'll see you next Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be there. Also, thank you so much for your love and support on this project. It means the world to us.
Yes, we are great.